I am currently standing on 2 feet of overgrown grass. And if you watch YouTube videos of these oddly satisfying videos and ever wondered, how can I do this to my grass when I go out on vacation and I come back to something like this? Well, in this video, we're gonna go through all the steps how to properly bring this down so that you don't stress out the lawn or cause big issues. Stay tuned. And let me tell you, it's like Jurassic Park out here. It's a forest. And why did this happen? And why did I let it happen? Well, that's a long story. But the short of it is content just for you guys. So the very first thing we need to talk about is PPE, proper protection equipment. All right, we really need, when we're dealing with grasses this high, is put on some pants and some boots. It is imperative that you guys put on pants and boots. You don't know how many times I have seen lawn professionals out there get a snake up their pants.
I have had it with these mother snakes on this mother plane.
As soon as you have the proper PPE, it's time to go to work. The very first thing that you need to do is weed trim as much as you can the lawn to bring it down. So a quick tip, I made sure I got a fresh battery on my Ryobi weed trimmer here. If you have a gas model, make sure you fill it up. I made sure I had enough string for at least half of this, so that way you don't have to stop and go for the battery and then stop and go for the string trimmer line. All right, make this as easy as possible on yourself because the majority of the work is about to happen. And just know you don't want to go all the way down with the string trimmer. It's currently about 16 inches here, so I want to bring it down to at least 8, where it's manageable for my lawnmower now to go along and not stall. See you guys in a few.
Yeah, alright, yeah, okay, Ring around the rosy, pockets full like OD. I can move just how I move, cause don't nobody know me. Low key, still do more numbers than your fate. You can hate, but you can't say that I've been missing any place. Any fool, what it do? Moving quick, bustin' moves, steps ahead, cause I'm out working while you tryna catch a snooze. Keep it smooth, not concerned with other dudes or what they do. Keep it true, I kick the truth. I'm not here so I could lose. Yeah. How'd you like it back to the bank? Tell her on us. Put in overtime so I do what I wanna. Yeah. Alright, yeah. Okay. Alright, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Full court press, none stress when I'm working. Full court press, none less than 100. Full court press, straight flex, close the curtain. Full court press to the top from the surface. Yeah, and I stay humble. Hit me for a feature, don't you come with no petty numbers. Talking about some leverage, but you been had plenty from us. Fed you for the low so I could double when the any coming. You can't take a penny from us. Full court press, Bobby Knight with my attitude. You wouldn't understand, so I can't be mad at you. You ever had to roll coins to get to the next week? Working for the 10, had to rush to the 10 and so.
Alright, we are looking better already. So when I went ahead and I did the string trimming, I just concentrated on lowering the grass. I did not do any edge work. I did not go around the edges that well. I'm just concentrated right now on just removing as much as that top layer of grass so that my mower could go through. On to the next step. All right, so here I have the Toro Time Master. What I want to do here is raise my mower height all the way to the top, because what I want to do is collect my clippings. I put the bagger on. I'm not side discharging. I put the bagger on because I want to dispose as much of the grass that I can. All right, now that it's raised up, we're ready to collect as much of the grass clippings as we can. Again, I'm not really focusing on mowing. I'm focused on collecting clippings so I could dump it in the trash, and then I'll do a second pass, but this time I'll be mowing.
Be my only one, be my one on one. You're my only one, you're my heartbreak. Be my heartbreak, be my one on one, be my only one. You're my only love, be my heartbreak, be my one on one, be my only one. You're my only love. Message, hit me now, hope you get the message. Who are you texting? It's not me, then babe, who are you texting? Hit me back, I hope you get the message. Calm you down cause you been acting reckless. Flood the ring and I bust down the necklace. Doesn't mean a thing, just know I spend it. Doesn't change a thing, just know I spend it on you. Get you Louis if you want it, no, that's nothing, no. You can tell me that it's something, but it's nothing, no. You ignore me, but you're always on that phone. Acting funny, but you tell me that you love me, though. Yeah, you tell me that you love me, though. Wanna believe it, but I feel it, that it's something wrong. Babe, just tell me what's going on. Be my heartbreak, be my one on one, be my only one. You're my only love, be my heartbreak, be my one on one, be my only one. You're my only love. Message, hit me now, hope you get the message. Who are you texting? It's not me, then babe, who are you texting? Hit me back, I hope you get the message. I was doing me, left you neglected. Now I feel the pain, I feel the tension. I know I did you wrong, it's unexpected. I know I did you wrong, but I still check in on you. Now you tell me that you're leaving, but you
So we just finished collecting with the bag. As much clipping as possible. I disposed of it, all the extra grass clippings. So now what I'm going to do is actually lower my lawnmower about half a notch down and put it in mulch mode. But first, I'm going to blow all this extra debris up into the lawn so I can mulch it.
Ay. Look. I'm too cool for the rules, baby, get off of me. Never need no push, I do it all for me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be. Too true for the flex, baby, don't cap to me. Drop 50, bring 150 right back to me. Keep a couple real hitters, got them on call for me. Money moving, got it in the market where it ought to be. Look, Papa don't preach, teachers don't teach. Gon' reach, that's facts. I ain't worried about none of that. I'm making that cash stack. Bunch of O's like NASCAR, but it's really more like NASDAQ. Why they thinking that they hot when they really more like quarter on me like a referee? Hating what they'll never be. Small top with a big bottom, yeah, shorty shaped like a letter D. Let her have it, then I let her be. If you love it, gotta let it grow. Crazy cause you really never know. When I'm hurting, never let it show. I'm a two-tone, two-phone, two-chain, new thing, lame with, but you a broke. Low class, no cash, certified lame. I've been getting to it like I ought to. Couldn't pick, so I bought two. Understand why your chick came. I'm just trying to figure why she brought you. I'm really repping and I'm flexed up. And I ain't
so we're getting it, folks. What do you think? Lawn looks better already, huh? Now we can work on the cosmetic side, which is, you know, edging, string trimming, making it look even nicer. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I personally like to use a blade edger for edging. A lot of people like string trimmers, so let me know in the comments which one you prefer.
Yeah. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Yeah. I can't let him take my soul. No. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. No. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she paid tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no.
And that, folks, is how it's done. The lawn is going to be less stressed and you're back to your pretty much mowing height. If you guys are interested in an unedited version of this mow, I'm going to put a link up here to the video. It's unedited, it's only the trimming and the mowing, and it's strictly business, none of me talking. What I would suggest is in about 3 days, I'm going to go ahead and mow one more time the same height that I just did today. At the end, I'm gonna mow one more time, and then I'm going to apply some RGS, some root growth stimulant. If you're interested, there's a link down below for the one that I'm going to use, but I would suggest that. Do not give it some nitrogen to make it grow. Do not give it anything extra but some RGS. In about 2 weeks, you can go ahead and throw down some nitrogen if you want to, some iron if you want to, and then you'll be set and good to go. All right, guys, so that is going to be it for this video. I hope this was informative, and thank you guys for sticking to the end. As always, I'll see you
I can't let them take my soul. Nah,
Peace.
nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she paid tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no.